let's start off with a sound check. So, Sam, can you depress the throttle better than any man alive? Now, so we can hear the engine. Soft, soft, soft. Depress is correct. I thought so. Tommy, let's listen to your V12.
Wow! I just realised all you guys have the same engine.
I know, it's not going to get better with the Lamborghini. Yeah, it will. The Lamborghini will be slightly better than the Audi. Go on, Lambo.
That actually scared me. I opened the window and I jumped. I've got the burbles.
This is going to sound like most of the Porsches, so a vacuum cleaner, unless it's a GT car, but here we go. I mean, this is the same engine as yours, Yanni, but how much better is your exhaust?
10 times better, thank you.